Imagine your website turning visitors into customers 24/7 with a chatbot that knows your business inside out, powered by AI. Welcome to Easy Sell. I'm your name, and today I'm diving into AdaptaChat, a tool that builds personalized chatbots to boost sales and engagement. It's a game changer, but can it really work for you, or is it just hype? Stick around for 8 minutes. I've tested it, and the results might blow your mind. Ever had visitors leave your site without buying? I've felt that sting, pouring cash into ads only to watch potential sales vanish because no one's there to answer questions. Traditional chatbots are generic, clunky, or scare customers with data risks. AdaptaChat promises a fix: custom AI chatbots trained on your data, speaking 95+ languages with top-notch privacy. But with so many tools out there, will it deliver or waste your time? Quick break. Let's not let your chatbots scare off customers with bad jokes, unless that's your brand. So does AdaptaChat work? I set it up, and the sales boost I saw might change your business. Don't go anywhere. Here's the deal. AdaptaChat lets you create AI chatbots tailored to your business. Upload your files, URLs, or let it scan your site. Your data trains the bot to sound like you, not some robot. It supports 95+ languages and captures leads 24/7. I tested it, added it to my site, got a chatbot speaking English and Spanish, and landed 5 leads in 3 days. It's fast, smart, and turns chats into cash. But hold up, nothing's perfect, right? What's the catch, and why should you care? Let's dig in. The wins: it's quick, set up in minutes, and personal, with no AdaptaChat branding to mess with your vibe. Take Lisa, a 28-year-old e-commerce owner. Her chatbot doubled leads in a month. Or Jake, a 34-year-old coach. His multilingual bot grew global clients. Real wins. The catch? Pricing starts around $29 per month, and you'll need to tweak the bot for perfection. Credits reset monthly, so plan your usage. With a yearly sub, you get over 2 months free. Low risk, high reward to boost your sales. Thinking tech's not my thing? If you can text, you can run this. Trust me. But is $29 worth it now? One final twist could make it a must-have. Stay tuned. Final call. AdaptaChat's an 8 out of 10. It's not magic, but my 5 leads in 3 days prove it works. $29 a month gets you custom chatbots that sell for you. Lisa and Jake scaled up. You can too. It's your shot to dominate online, starting today. This deal's heating up. Others are cashing in while you wait. Act fast. Click below to try AdaptaChat for $29 with a yearly deal. Start selling now. Then hit the end screen. This is Easy Sell. Let's make it rain.